If you need a little extra help with vacuuming and mopping around the house, then listen up. This 2-in-1 cordless vacuum and mop is currently 44% off, so it's only $130 with free shipping. This has been such a big help with picking up the dog and cat hair throughout the day. And not to mention, when I'm too lazy to mop, I'll go ahead and put it on the mop setting. It comes with a remote, but you can also connect it to your phone, Alexa, and Google. This is what the charging port looks like. I just can't fathom spending hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the Shark. So I went with this, and I have been absolutely obsessed.